trying to figure out if we can take Gilbert's truck out of this thing. Right? Gilbert's thinking. See, the problem is, this truck doesn't have reverse. And he parks in a spot where someone parks in front of him, and there may be not enough room to maneuver the truck out. So there's his truck, and there's the car. And he has this much space.
About 7 feet.
Huh?
About 7 feet.
That's 7 feet? I don't think that's 7 feet. That's the truck. That's the car. This is the space. This is the thinking man who just got a haircut. So, what kind of challenges do we have today?
I think we could do it.
Yeah? Because the problem is, if we try it, and he realizes by the time he gets to the car, the next car, that there's not enough room, there's no turning back. He's stuck. So yeah, you think it'll work? Okay. Okay, we're gonna try it. What did you just say?
I go, if it doesn't work, you can personally kick me in the ass.
I'm going to personally kick him in the ass if it doesn't work. Why is it making noise? So here we go. Making a lot of noise. Oh, he'll make it. He'll make it. You'll make it. Keep going.